Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. The last class we saw about the pyramid and Indus civilization. So the pyramids gave information about the past people. The small pyramids was made for queen. So skeletons also found in this pyramid. So these skeletons gave information about the age and particular height of the people, isn't it? The Indus civilization, next topic. So the Indus civilization was also called Harappan civilization, and this is our first city to be excavated in which century? So it was excavated in 20th centuries. So in the city had a proper drainage system and wells and great bath and granaries. So many systems are present during the past period. Okay, today topic we are going to see about some examples from Tamil Nadu. So today topic I am going to explain about Adichanallur, and the second place it's called Arikamedu. So these are the places excavated. So excavated places in our Tamil Nadu. So archaeological site. So what is the meaning of archaeological site? So this is a place. So archaeological site means so this is an excavated place. So this place gave information about our past peoples and their past humans activities. So these places gave the information about our past people life histories and past humans activities. And the first place it's called Adichanallur. So the Adichanallur, it's located in Thoothukudi district. So what is the meaning of artifacts? So artifacts means during the excavation the archaeological find so many things from the under earth. So like pots and metals, arrows and gold ornaments and stone beads. So these are called artifacts. So in this place also, so the archaeologist found so many places like that. Like this, the first one, potteries, the various kinds of potteries they were found in this place. The first it's called red color pot, and second one it's called black color pot. So these are the various kinds of pots. They were found from these places, and next one, the stone beads and gold ornaments and all, they were found in these places. And the next one, so these are the artifacts. So artifacts means so our past people, they were used these things. So this is called artifacts. So these artifacts prove that people were very skillful and talented in making the potteries and in working in stone and wood, isn't it? So these are the things gave information about the past peoples, very talented, and they were very skillful people in olden days. The second place it's called Arikamedu. Second place it's called Arikamedu. So the Arikamedu is located in, can you guess it? The Arikamedu is located in which district? So it is located in Puducherry. So it's located in Puducherry district. So the Puducherry means it is called coastal areas. So in this area is fully covered with the water. So this place it's called sea areas also. So in this place they were found a lot of things like Roman lamps and stone beads and wine containers, glass. So these are the things they were found in these places. And in the olden days this place was called the trade place. So trade place means all the business transactions they did this place. So olden days, this place it's called trade relationship place. So dear students, so learn this two topics. The first one, Adichanallur. So the Adichanallur is located in Thoothukudi district, and the Arikamedu is located in Puducherry district, and this place was called trade place in olden days. So the archaeological found Roman lamp, glass and stone beads and gems. Gems means different types of color stones. Different types of color stones was called gems, and the wine containers also found in these places. So dear students, learn this two topic today. Thank you.